last time I made this, it did not turn out as good as it was going to. So far I've preheated the oven for 375 degrees, and then the chicken, I just seasoned it and wrapped it in aluminum foil for 50 minutes, and then put the water boiling for the tortellinis. This is mostly just waiting right now, but that's gonna stop, and then this should be boiling when it stops, and then I'll put the tortellinis in. I have to steam the broccoli. I have to make more chicken because we're making 2 casseroles. Oh boy. It's hot.
It is.
Don't.
That's fine. I was just gonna leave it there. Or do you think it should go on the table?
You like cooking?
I do actually. And I love making casseroles, just all the casseroles.
So that would be your favorite food that you like to make?
Yeah. I'm 12, I'm in 7th grade, and I'm extremely tired. And I like local and K-pop.